Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to find the list of people you've blocked on your Facebook page using the Facebook app for PC, you're in the right place. With the latest Facebook update, the layout and navigation have changed a little. So today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to access your blocked list quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your Facebook account on your PC. When everything is set, look towards the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll see your profile photo. Click on it to open your personal menu. Next, from the drop-down menu, find and click on the option titled Settings and Privacy. A new menu will appear. Go ahead and select Settings. This will bring you to the main settings page. On the left sidebar, look for and click on Blocking. Some users might see an edit button near this section. If you do, be sure to click on it to continue. Once you're in the blocking section, you'll see a range of options related to blocking. Look for the one labeled See Your Blocked List and click on it. Now, you'll be able to view all the profiles you've blocked on your Facebook page. From here, you have the option to review each blocked profile. If you're thinking about unblocking someone, simply click the Unblock button next to their name. Remember, when you unblock someone, they may be able to view your profile and reach out to you again, so choose carefully. That's it. Finding your blocked list is simple once you know where to look with the new Facebook layout for PC. If you found these steps helpful, consider sharing this video with anyone who needs a quick walkthrough. Thanks for watching.